What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are looking at this strategy. Now, if you are a beginner, you might want to listen attentively to this two-in-one boom and crash strategy. Yes, it's a two-in-one strategy because you're going to be able to trade in line with spikes, that is spike catching, and also to trade against some spikes, and that is usually called scalping. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys the indicators that are going to need for you to be able to do all that scalping and spike catching. And as a beginner, you should able to grow your account. I think I made a profit of about $120 today just using this strategy. So I hope you guys are going to practice this strategy first on your demo accounts before even moving on to real accounts, because trading is risky and you really need to understand the strategy and study it carefully before moving on to your real account. So this is how the strategy looks like. By the end of this video, we should have something like this and probably something like this as well on your charts, and this is going to help you in your trading. Now, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame for this strategy, mainly because we are going to be looking for trades that we can hold for a little bit longer and not just risk our account for some short movement. So we're going to try and use a bigger time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame, so that we can lock in more pips from the market. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'll remove all the indicators on my screen. As you can see, I am left with a blank chart on Crash 500. I'm also going to clear up my charts so that we can all clearly see what's going on. So I've got a blank chart right now on Crash 500, and we're going to install the settings that you're going to need in order for you to be able to use this strategy. Now, the first indicator is going to be the Ichimoku, and it's going to go to our main chart. Okay, so I'm going to go to my main window, then click where it says Ichimoku, and we're going to have these properties. The Tenkan Sen is going to be 9, the Kijun Sen is going to be 26, the span B is going to be 52. There's not going to be any fill for this one, and on visualization will be on all time frames. Okay, now on your style, we only want to have our Tenkan Sen to be showing on our screen, so I chose this black color for our Tenkan Sen. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using so that you don't get confused when I start referring back to these colors during the video. Okay, you can later on customize to the colors of your own choice later on. Okay, now the Kijun Sen, the span, the up Kumo, and the down Kumo should have the same color as your background. Now I'm on a white background, that's why you see that the rest all have that white color, such that if I click on done, what I only have on my main chart is this black line. This is the only line we need. All the other colors need to blend in with your background, so make sure you get that correctly. Okay, for a strategy to work for you, you need to follow all the instructions. Moving on, we're going to create our indicator window 1, which is also going to be giving us confirmations on each and every entry that we want to take. The goal is to have a trade that has got the highest probability of occurring. Now, if you think your trades in probabilities, you're actually going to be doing better in trading, and you're going to improve your trading journey if you think in probability. So we're going to have the indicator window 1, and it is going to be made up of the following indicators. The first one is going to be the stochastic oscillator, which is right here under oscillators, and it is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, a method of simple, and we're going to have these two important levels on our charts: the buy zone, which is our level 20, and the sell zone, which is our level 80. Okay, then I'm going to click done, and on your visualization, again, all time frames is still fine. If you want to move on to different time frames to allow you to see these indicators on all time frames. Okay, on your style, I want you to do the same thing. Your main and your signal should have the same color as your background. So white if you have a white background like me. If you have a black background, you choose black. Okay, such that if you click on done, what you see appearing on your screen is just the levels that we installed, the buy zone and the sell zone, and nothing else inside. So this will be proof if you are doing your steps correctly. Okay, next we're going to need an awesome oscillator, and this awesome oscillator is going to go under our indicator window 1, and I'm going to add it right here. It's going to have the following properties. There are no levels or time frames again, and when you're styling, your value up should be green and your value down should be red. Then you simply click done. As you can see, shows up clearly on my chart. Guys, don't forget that if you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you have learned or that you are interested in joining our 100-day trading challenge for volatility indices, you will be added into that group for free. Okay, all you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below that you are interested, and you can send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number showing me that you have done the subscription, you've liked, and you've commented. Okay, my WhatsApp number will be available in the link which is in the description box below. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. Let's continue with installing this strategy. Okay, we want to add the final indicator that is also going to help us complete our trades nicely. So I'm going to go back to my indicator section and I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to go to moving average, and this moving average will have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 1, a shift of 0, and a method of simple and apply to previous indicators data, and again on visualization allow it to appear on all time frames. And then on the styling, I chose this blue color which is bright and clear on my charts. So if I click done, you see that all the indicators have been installed on my charts, and now it's basically time to understand the conditions. How do you use this strategy? How do you go about, and how do you try and get some profits? Now it's very simple. It's a very simple strategy. Like I said, this is beginner friendly. Any beginner can try it out and just learn a little bit better. Now, like I said, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame. So we are in the 15-minute time frame, and here's how you're going to be doing your analysis. We're actually very, very lucky right now. The previous entry or signal given by this strategy was on crash 500, and we were selling, which means we were catching some spikes. Okay, now how do you do all that? All you have to do is follow the following steps. Number 1, you're going to need to look at your indicator window 1, focus on it very well. If you want to enter into a sell, number 1, you're going to need to have these bars, the red and green bars, appearing in your 80 level, right? Now you also need to have the blue line following and appearing in your 80 level just as confirmation. And during that period of being in the sell zone, you want to experience a color change. Now if you want to enter a sell, you obviously want to see a color change from green to red. Now this shows you that the momentum has changed, sellers are kicking in the market. But you don't enter right away. You wait for confirmations from your main chart, from your price. Your price has to cross and go below this black line to show a strong sell momentum. Remember your trading probabilities. Now that you have got two conditions confirming a sell, you're most likely going to win. Remember, you're working with probabilities. So this is all you have to do. And as you can see, price pushed all the way down from your entry. Whether you were late or early, you can still enter even if you are late. Just confirm, make sure that you confirm your price has crossed to be below the sell, the black line there. This shows a strong sell momentum. Okay, this shows a strong sell momentum. Now how do you enter into a buy? Of course, it is the opposite. You guys have guessed it right. You're going to wait for the bars to enter this buy region with your blue line following as confirmation. You're going to wait for a color change, this time from red to green, and you're going to go to your main chart this time and wait for price to cross and close above your black line. Now The more you actually allow price to cross to be above and give it space, the more you actually confirm your buying momentum this time around, because you're entering into buy trades, and that confirmation is also very necessary in your buy trades. Now, this is a very simple strategy. If you guys want to be added to our 100-day trading challenge, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below that you're interested. You can send me the screenshot showing me that you have done all that to my WhatsApp number. And like I said, my WhatsApp number is in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. You'll also be able to see my trading results, my students' results, and results from our VIP signal groups in that Telegram channel. And I hope it is going to help you understand trading and study trading a little bit better. It's completely free to join, guys. There are over 7,000 traders in that group, so it might be beneficial for you to join. So don't forget to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel. It's very easy and you can join quite easily. So now that you have seen how this strategy works, I hope you're going to practice it on your demo accounts first before moving on to your real account, so that you can understand its weaknesses and its strength. Okay, it's very easy. We can go on any chart. Right now we're coming from a sell. Actually, there's a strong buyer momentum on boom that has been going on, but we've been having these short sell trades that you could have capitalized on. I think this one is over here, and it's just occurring in the market. These ones you just be monitoring, scalping in and out, know your crucial price levels that the price might play around, and just try and maximize as many pips as you can. Remember, you are trading in probabilities, so don't forget that. Until next time.